Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about lesson number 8, that is the internet and introduction. Okay, what do you mean by internet and how to use it? Okay, so basic idea you will get through internet. Children, today we will learn about the internet. Let us first understand the term network. What do you mean by network, or what does it mean? A network is system where various components are connected with each other in some way. Okay, it is one kind of network where different connections are there. In our day-to-day life, we see many networks like network of telephone lines, electricity wires, road, etc. So these are the what different examples of different network you can say, like telephone wires, telephone lines, electricity wires, roads. Okay, so these are the different examples you can say. In our body also there is a network of blood vessels. The arteries carry the blood away from the heart while the veins carry it back to the heart. All of them are connected to each other and form a network that helps the blood to circulate in our body. Okay, in our body also so many veins, vessels are there. They are what? They are doing the blood movement in our body. Similarly, when millions of computers are connected to each other, they form a computer network. Okay, suppose one hub is there or one network is there, computer. From that point or that network, or you can say from that computer, we can connect with the many computers. Okay, the internet is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers worldwide. When two or more computers are connected over the internet, they can exchange all kinds of information. That is, you can say sharing of network. Okay, such as text, graphics, voice, video. Also, we can collect information or any topic of interest through the internet within the seconds. Okay, fraction of seconds we can sharing our documents, video, file, images, everything we can share with each other. Okay, next coming to uses of internet, uses of the internet. What are the use of internet? News and information. Definitely we are getting some information through internet also. Suppose tomorrow your 10th standard exam result you will get. So how you will get? Through internet only we are getting the information. Okay, sometime they are giving the information that tomorrow 10th standard result will publish and you will get by 10 a.m. morning. Okay, so accordingly we are waiting for that to see that. Okay, so different things are there. So how to get the information, different procedures are also there. Next is what? Art and entertainment. Using the internet, one can watch movie, listen to songs, play games and puzzles, read jokes, stories and books. The internet also allows us to download and purchase various types of softwares. It is not only to get the information, but also we can purchase so many things, we can buy so many softwares, we can install. Okay, so many things we are getting. Okay, so online shopping also through internet we can do that. Next, online shopping, it is written or not? As I said regarding online shopping, as all of you are very much acquainted about online shopping. Okay, so different like Amazon ho, Myntra ho, eBay ho, okay, Grofers ho, different online softwares are there, online shopping softwares are there. You can go through that and purchase any product according to your requirement. So many facilities are there, so many offers are there. By opening that particular software we can get some information. Okay, next, what is the mailing letters? Mailing letter means what? Electronic mail is one of the most popular feature of the internet. हम लोग जो मेल करते हैं, that is the most important. It allows us to send and receive messages in real time. Okay, so we can send the message and also we can receive that message also. We can also attach pictures, videos and sound with an email. So whenever we are sending email, so there is some criteria, there is some certain terms and conditions are there, but according to our requirement, suppose if you want to send the videos, pictures, images, you can send it through email also, and you also get some email also using pictures, files, documents also. Clear? Next, health and fitness. Using the internet, one can have an all-time doctor or one service to provide health and fitness information. Suppose you are facing any disease, okay, so regarding the fitness, you can get the information through internet. One can also search for remedies and precautions for different disease. Suppose if you are facing some problem, any disease, and you can get the information from the internet also, so that you can take some precautions. Tourism and travel. The internet provides the facility for online booking of hotels, railway tickets, air tickets, etc. all over the world and round the clock. Means suppose if you want to move from one place to another, okay, or if you want to go for tour or trip from one place to another, so you can buy some tickets or book some tickets also by aeroplane, by train ticket, everything you can you can do because of internet only. Clear? Next, chatting. The feature allow us to exchange text messages instantly with other persons on the internet. You can chat also from one person to another, so by using internet also. So what are the social media like Facebook, Yahoo, Gmail, then WhatsApp? So okay, so many web browsers or so many softwares you can say. So by using that, you can go for video chatting. Okay. Banking operation. As we know, in our bank we are using the internet facility. So using internet e-banking service, one can perform all banking operations from anywhere. Suppose you want to transfer money from one person to another, okay, from our account to another, okay, we can easily do it. Okay. Nowadays some applications are there like Google Pay, Phone Pay, okay, Paytm. So these are the different applications. So you can go for online shopping also, or online online transfer also. Okay. Video conferencing. Through video conferencing you can communicate with another person both verbally and visually, even from geographical apart location. Geographical means out of state, you can out of country also, you can go for video conferencing. Means the person will be sitting over there and you are sitting in your office with your colleagues. You can easily attend, visually and verbally communicate with each other. Okay. Next, what is the basic terminology? What are the basic requirement? The information available on the internet is contained in the websites and on the web pages. As a book contains a number of pages, similarly a website is a collection of related web pages linked into one to another. So book means what? It contains many number of pages. Similarly website means it consists of lot of web pages to one to another, lot of web pages. Okay. Next, web page. Information is put on the internet in the form of digital page called as web pages. So all the information are put in the digital form, that is called web page. Digital form means what? You know, it is only in the form of 0 and 1, binary form you can say. Okay. These pages may contain text, graphics, video, audio, links to each other. So that information, it may be video, audio, graphics, links, etc. What do you mean by home page? The main page of any website which contains link to another page is called as home page. The main page of the any website, कोई भी website तुम्हारा other pages को connect हुआ है, that is called home page. By default it is the first page of every website. ये तुम्हारा first page रहता है, हर website का first page रहता है. What do you mean by web browser? A web browser is a software application or program that allows us to access the entire information available on the web. You can normally open web browser from a shortcut of the desktop. So these are the web browser like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, okay, so Opera. So these are the different web browser. The shortcut icon you can keep keep store in the or keep save in the desktop or monitor main screen, you can say. So anytime required, no need to go to the D drive, E drive, so directly you can open it, click on that. Search engine means what? A search engine is a software that search for any information required by a user. The internet search various web pages on the World Wide Web. Some of the most popular search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. Search engine means what? The place where we want to search our information, like Google. Suppose you don't know some topic, so you want to search it, what does it mean? So where you are writing, generally we are using the Google, so we can get some information, okay. Next, URL. To visit your friend's place, you need to know his address. Similarly, to visit any website, you need to know its address. Each website is defined by its unique address. Obviously, unique address means what? Suppose in your class, suppose 10 number of students are there. Unique address means every student having unique different अलग अलग नंबर है, रोल नंबर है, एंड घर का एड्रेस भी अलग है, so that everybody can identify easily. So that is called uniform resource locator, URL. So similarly, URL is also same. For example, the Cartoon Network and Discovery Channel are the URL network for Discovery channels and respectively, okay. Opening a web page. How to open a web page? To visit a website or a web page, you need to put in URL into the address bar that appears to the top of the every web browser. कोई भी टॉपिक को तुम्हें इंफॉर्मेशन और कोई भी टॉपिक के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन जानना है, then that link you have to put in the web page. Like suppose Amazon, you want to open Amazon website, so www.amazon.com. so like that you have to put it in the web page site, okay. Responsibility of a good digital citizen. What is the observe your etiquettes when online? You should always follow proper code of conduct when you are online. Do not use harsh language. Means there is some rules and regulations are there. You have to follow whenever you are in online. Clear? Otherwise, it will not accept it. Report unlawful activities. If you notice any harassing, threatening, or illegal activity on the internet, always report to it your elder. For example, if you see any abuse remark made to anybody, inform your teacher or parents about it. Suppose कोई भी unnecessary things you have written, then you have to inform your elders, your teachers. Don't do all kind of nonsense activities, okay. So do not tamper with other files and folders. Suppose somebody kept it all the files or documents inside your computer, so you should not open that particular files, irrespective of files, irrespective of music files, irrespective of video files. You should not open it. You have to take the prior permission. नेवर क्रिएट ए फेक आइडेंटिटी. कभी भी अपना फेक आइडेंटिटी बना के दूसरों को हैरान करना, परेशान करना, ओके, इट शुड नॉट बी, ओके. देन डू नॉट कॉपी इंफॉर्मेशन एज इट इज़ फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट. मीन्स सपोज समटाइम फॉर योर नॉलेज इंफॉर्मेशन इट्स ओके, but whenever you are going for some presentation or going some paper publication, at that time you should not copy paste all the document as it is what it is written in the internet. You have to change the content, okay.